Master your eye makeup for a flawless skincare look. Do glowing skin and bold eyes really go together? Absolutely. Start with hydrated, radiant skin for the perfect canvas. A well-prepped base not only enhances your eye makeup, but helps it last longer and look more seamless. Let skincare and makeup work in harmony for that effortless glow. Before you even touch your brushes, prep your skin. Apply moisturizer to keep your face glowing and fresh. Then, use a lightweight primer for smooth application. For your eyes, an eye cream minimizes creases, while a primer keeps your eyeshadow vibrant and crease-free all day. Pick shades that complement your natural skin tone and your look's vibe. Neutrals for a soft glow, or metallics for eye-catching glam. Blend your eyeshadow smoothly, building layers to add depth without overpowering your fresh-faced aesthetic. Remember, the perfect eye makeup enhances, not hides, your skincare glow. Polish off your flawless, skincare-friendly look with smudge-proof eyeliner and your favorite volumizing mascara. A soft highlight on your brow bone ties everything together, leaving you looking radiant and balanced. Ready to glow like never before? Save this video and follow us for more beauty tips that unite skincare and makeup mastery. Try these steps and tag us in your radiant looks. #GlowWithConfidence.